Today we will see how to balance this chemical equation. Step 1. Write the number of atoms of elements present in reactants and in products in a table as shown here. Step 2. Balance the atom which is the maximum in number on either side of chemical equation. In this equation, the number of oxygen atom is the maximum on right hand side. To balance the oxygen, one needs to multiply oxygen on left hand side by 4 so that number of oxygen atoms becomes equal on both sides. Step 3. Now the number of hydrogen atoms becomes 8 on left hand side, which is more than that on right hand side. To balance it, one needs to multiply the hydrogen on right hand side by 4. Step 4. After that, number of oxygen and hydrogen atoms becomes equal on both sides. The number of iron is 1 on left hand side while it is 3 on right hand side. To balance it, multiply the iron on left hand side by 3. Step 5. Now the number of atoms of each element becomes equal on both sides. Thus, this equation becomes a balanced equation.